Hi, and welcome to Keep It Simple Programming. This is the third video in the Python tutorial series, and today we will be talking about functions. A function is a type of procedure or routine involving one or more variables. Above are two examples of functions. One is using integers and the other is using strings. And this is how we are going to define our functions. First, enter def, then the function's name, followed by the parameter you want to enter into the function. And below that, enter the return statement. So here we have the function double and the function greeting, the parameter x and the parameter string, and the return statement x times 2, and the return statement greet, where we could see greet equals hello plus whatever string is entered here into the parameter. Alright, so we've defined the functions, but how do we use them? We have to use what is called a call statement. To do that, we have to set the return value to a variable. For example, we'll say dub equals double 2 and print dub. So we could see the function double is returning x times 2 and setting it to the variable dub. We are then printing dub and we should get 4. There we have it, 4. Now, another option we have is to put print directly into the function. And that is done like this. Instead of return, let's enter print. Alright, we still have to call the function, so here we will put greeting world. And actually, let's go ahead and capitalize that and add an exclamation mark. With print in the function, we don't need to assign it to a variable, but can simply run the function. So here, we are entering an argument into the function to see that it is working. And when we run it, we see 4, and we see hello world. Now, when creating a function, you could also use multiple parameters. For example, we will use the function speed equals distance divided by time. So to represent speed, we'll put sp equals dist divided by time. And we will return sp. So here we will do print speed. Let's say we're going 10 miles in 2 hours. When we print, we should see we're going 5 miles an hour. And lastly, we could also create a function with no parameters. And to do that, we're just going to enter def no param, and inside of that, let's print you rock. And then, of course, we still need to call that function. So we'll enter no param. And when we run it, there we have it. We could see we doubled 2 to 4. We added world to the end of hello to get hello world. We divided 10 by 2 to see we were traveling at 5 miles an hour, and we printed a string using a function without having to enter any parameters. Thank you for watching. In the next video, we will be talking about if-else statements. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, please click that subscribe button. I will be posting many more Python tutorials, and they will be getting more advanced as we progress. Thank you for watching, and have a wonderful day.